Spectacular views from the best 5-star hotels in Hawaii. Espacio, the jewel of Waikiki. The Honolulu Hotel Espacio, the jewel of Waikiki, offers an exceptional fine dining experience at Muggan Restaurant, a rooftop infinity pool, and a full-service spa. It is situated just in front of Waikiki Beach. Moroccan elements and Italian marble embellishments may be found in every beautiful suite. Each apartment features a separate floor entry, a contemporary kitchen with Miele and Thermador appliances, and a hot tub on a private terrace. Additionally, each suite has a smart TV and is fully programmable from an iPad, including the ability to modify the lighting and temperature in the room and order room service. In every suite, there is a sauna, except accessible suite. The hotel provides free vehicle services, a daily continental breakfast, and round-trip luxury airport transportation for one person each reservation. A gourmet rooftop barbecue station and round-trip luxury airport transfers are also included with each accommodation. 2 bottles of wine, a wine card, and free entrance to the Bishop Museum, the Honolulu Museum of Art, and the Honolulu Museum of Art, for one adult and one child under 18, are all included. The Kahala Hotel and Resort. This opulent resort, which has 4 restaurants and a full-service spa, is located on a beach in Honolulu. There is a free shuttle service to Ala Moana Shopping Center. Each Hotel Kahala accommodation has an iPod docking station and a 40-inch flat-screen TV. Numerous bathrooms come equipped with robes, deep soaking tubs, and separate showers. Warm colors are used to embellish each attractive space. Culture and wellness workshops are offered on site. All visitors are given free use to the outdoor pool, cutting-edge exercise center, and saunas. The Kahala Spa offers massages, beauty treatments, and an outdoor relaxing area in addition to its 10 individual treatment rooms. The Seaside Grill serves casual fare by the pool and beach. The award-winning Hoku's fine dining establishment. The all-day open-air Plumeria Beach House restaurant. The Veranda serves afternoon tea and cocktails, and Arancino serves Italian food. Live music can be heard on the veranda. This beachside resort is 6 kilometers from the Honolulu Zoo, and it takes 20 minutes to travel there from the Honolulu International Airport. Trump International Hotel Waikiki. Less than 5 minutes walk from the beach, the Trump International Hotel Waikiki has a full-service spa and an outdoor pool area with eating options. There is free Wi-Fi. The stylish, well-lit rooms come with a kitchen or kitchenette and a 55-inch flat-screen TV. There is an Italian marble bath, a robe, and slippers. Each unit comes with a washing machine and dryer. In the bedrooms of suites, there is an additional 43-inch flat-screen TV. Gourmet American food is served at BLT Steak in a steakhouse environment. A liquid breakfast is one of the special cocktails available all day long in the Waiolu Lounge. A variety of treatments are offered at the spa at Trump Waikiki using native Hawaiian flora and methods. The library and 24-hour exercise center are also available to guests. The Waikiki Aquarium is 3 minutes away from the Trump Waikiki Beach Walk, while Alawai Golf Course is 3.2 kilometers away. Hotel Wailea, Relace and Chateau. The Hotel Wailea, Relace and Chateau, is perched on a cliff overlooking Maui's southern shoreline on 15 acres of beautiful grounds. It offers opulent amenities and roomy suites. Every suite at the Hotel Wailea features free Wi-Fi and a private veranda that is furnished and has a view of the garden or the ocean. A comfortable stay is guaranteed by amenities including large soaking baths and fluffy bathrobes. Visitors can savor the breathtaking ocean vistas. Free water bottles, beach umbrellas, and chairs are all available at the beach. The restaurant at Hotel Wailea offers guests innovative island-to-table cuisine in 2 quaint settings. The garden offers intimate outdoor eating amidst landscaped gardens, and the lanai gives views of the ocean at dusk. Additionally, the hotel provides a special private dining experience called the Treehouse, where guests are serviced by a personal chef in an outdoor setting with a view of the ocean under a canopy of mango and avocado trees. Aston Waikiki Beach Tower. Across the street from Waikiki Beach is the all-suite Aston Waikiki Beach Tower. Each apartment provides fully furnished lodging with kitchens. A contemporary leisure deck and an outdoor pool are on-site features. There is a daily maid service offered. There are ocean views from every suite. Each has a balcony or lanai, a TV with cable channels, a DVD player, ironing facilities, a safety deposit box, and air conditioning. The kitchens are fully equipped with a microwave, a refrigerator, a coffee maker, a toaster, and a dishwasher. A hairdryer and a shower are included in the private bathroom. There is a nightly turn-down service and daily housekeeping offered. Visitors to the Apart Hotel can unwind in the hot tub. Billiards, a jet spa, an on-site yoga class, access to the barbecue grills, an outdoor dining area, and a fitness center are all available at the recreation desk. Hawaii Convention Center is 1.6 kilometers away from Aston Waikiki Beach Tower. The distance to Honolulu International Airport is 16 kilometers. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.